Hello guys, I'm Udipan Biswas back with another video. So you're watching UB Techno and today I'm gonna teach you how to make any photo slideshow into a video. Like think it's someone's birthday, like your friends. So you wanna make a birthday video for him and you have his pictures, like many pictures. So by this trick you can add all the pictures and make a birthday video for him. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, for making this video you need an app. So I don't know how to pronounce that app. It must be something Skoomapa something, but I'll show you the spelling. So you can get this app in the Play Store only. So I'll go to the Play Store and I'll type the name, that is SCOOMPA. As you can see at the top, Skoompa Video Slideshow Maker. So you have to download that. As you can see that I have already downloaded, so I'll open from here. So after opening, the interface will like this. So as you can see, I have made a video already here and other stuffs like this, like you can take photos from your gallery, Facebook, Instagram or any different app, like you can search here, and these are the ads. So I'll show you how this works. So I'll press on this, which I have made. So this video was made for my brother on his birthday. As you can see, there's different videos and I have put some editing on it with the help of this app only. So I will show you how this works. So believe me friends, this was not a video first, this was only the pictures. So I'll press on the play button. As you can see, the different video, and I have just added text and stickers. I think this is enough for you. So now I'll show you how to make it. So I will just show a small example. So I'll take photos from my gallery. So I'll go to my gallery and let me take few pictures. Wait a sec. So like whichever videos you want, just press on them, like this one, this. So wait a sec. Okay, this one, this. So I've taken few pictures. Now I'll press on the right tick. So as you can see, it will come like this. So first, like if you wanna add any text here, so you can see this pencil mark, you can press on that and you can add any sticker, filter, time, patch, replace, zooming, anything you can do from here. So if you press on this symbol A, like press on that, so you can like make the front, like you're adding any text and you can add the front for that, like how should be the text. There's different methods, you can add anyone. So after that you can, so you can see at over this, like this is for like after this video, after this picture goes away, how should be the animation. Like I'll do for this one, I'll put this sumo one. As you can see, it will come like this. So I'll press on the tick button. So if I play, the first one is like this. I can see the second one, it comes like that. So you can do for every videos like that. So like you can add any music, like from here you can search anyone, or even you can put voice, like this is for snow, some like it's your birthday, sea, snow and anything your wish. So other like time, we can adjust the time, and this is for obviously adding pictures, and this is for the size, how you want the video to be sized. So like that. So if like I want to change this, so I will change like this fire one, and I will add a sticker. Like you get options, image sticker, text sticker. So I will add imagine this, like you can make it small, big, rotate it anyhow you want. So I think this is enough, and other things are just simple, you can figure it out by yourself. So thank you friends, thank you for watching my video, and if you like this, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and tap the bell icon. This is the most important thing. If you don't on the bell icon, then you won't get any latest updates of my videos. And please drop a like on this video, and meet you next time. Peace out.